In this tutorial, you will learn where to find your save files and config files in FragPunk. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the users folder. Open your username folder. Open app data. If you can't see the app data folder, first click on View. Go to Show and select Hidden Items. Now open the app data folder. Open the local folder. Look for the FragPunk folder. Open the folder. Open the Steam folder. Open the saved folder. Open Save Games folder. In here you will find your saves. To locate the config file, go back to the saved folder. Open the config folder. Open the Windows client folder. Look for the game user settings file. This is your config file. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.